Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to add music on your video by CapCut application on iOS or iPhone. So first thing you have to do here now is just go open the CapCut application, and now you just need to click a new project if you have no video yet, but if you already have it, just go into your previous project. And now let me choose the video here. So I think I would like to go with this, and after that just go click add, and I already have this video on my project, but it's have no audio or no sound here. So to add the audio or music on it, there will be two ways. You can just go click an audio and then explore this, or if you are in the home section or in an edit section, you just need to simply click add audio. There will be also bringing you on the same page too. And after that, just need to click sounds. Why? Because here the CapCut will already provide a lot of songs that you can use directly, and those are free. So you can just find out which musics type that you want to add into your project. For example, you want to warm, just need to find out. And after you find it, you just need to click this plus button, and after that make sure that you also adjusting the length too. You can see, let's bring this into the end of the clip. When the clip is end, the music is still go on, so make sure that you trim it too. So you just need to click the clip and then clip this audio until the audio is in active mode, and then go click split and click delete to delete the rest. And now let's have a check. Now your video already have the music on it. So that's the way how to add music on your CapCut application. If you find that this tutorial is kind of like useful for you guys, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.